Do you want to know how to see who viewed your Facebook profile? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, you have to go into the profile of your Facebook. Like, you have to open up your Facebook profile here. Then you need to actually tap on these three dots here, and after tapping on these three dots here, make sure that your professional mode is turned on. If you don't know how to enable the professional mode on Facebook, I have created the video on this topic. You can also watch this from my YouTube channel. Okay, so after you have turned on the professional mode here, like this one, you need to go back, and then you have to click on view tools option here. And then after going here, you need to actually tap on this one, which is see more insights, and wait for it to actually load up the insights, because it is loading the data up here, so it will take a little bit of time here. And then you need to actually tap on see all content here. See at the top here in this list, Facebook profile views or profile views. Okay, but this feature is not available in my country yet. But if you are from US or from any other country, you can actually check. There should be an option here which says like Facebook views and Facebook profile, and when you tap on that, it will actually give you the information that how many people in the last 7 days or in the last month have actually viewed your Facebook profile. Okay, so that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video here, you can actually ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. uh, we hope you have a fantastic day.